So are you working in the software industry by using any software tools? And how long time you can survive with the software tools? If you continue your IT career with the software tools only, will you get high package and better career growth in the future? So watch till the end of video, then you definitely get answers for all these questions. So before moving to the main topic, if you are visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. So if you are working in the software industry by using any software tool, then you will survive for a long time with the software tools or not. Will you have better career growth or not? We will discuss these things one by one. So first thing is, here software tools means, I will tell you some examples for software tools like ETL Informatica is one of the software tool, and Power BI is a data visualization tool. Okay, and some ticketing tools, so testing related tools like database testing or API testing or performance testing. These are all some software tools to utilize during the project development. So with all these tools, how long time you can survive? Do you have better career growth or not if you start your IT career by using these kind of software tools? See friends, if you want to get into the software field, then you can learn any software tool and you can easily enter into the software field. But after having a 2 to 3 years or 4 years of experience by using that specific software tool, then there might be chance are there to replace your software tool in the IT market. There might be introduced some other replaced tool, whatever you are working on the software tool. Therefore, my recommendation is, whatever you are working on the software tool, you have to upgrade your skills with the relevant software tools. Suppose if you are working as a ETL Informatica developer, then you have to learn some big data related technologies and also learn Python. Then you can become a data engineer as well by learning big data ecosystems. Suppose if you are continuously working on the same tool for a long time, then there might be chance are there to replace Informatica tool as well, like Talent ETL tool. So tools are not guaranteed in the software industry. Definitely, definitely software tools are replaced by other tools. But process is same only. Process never changed. Tools are changed every 5 years or 6 years. So therefore, don't stick with the software tools. You have to upgrade your skills based on the IT market needs. And also for better career growth, you have to learn the relevant IT skills, and you can improve your skills in your particular area, whatever you are working on the software tools. Then you will get high package as well in the software industry in the future as well. But don't stick with the same tool for a long time. But at the same time, you have to observe the IT market as well. Is there any replace tools are introduced in the IT market, and what skills I should upgrade with my current skills? You have to question yourself and update your skills according to the market demand. Then in IT industry, you never face any problems. You have to keep learning and keep improve your skills, and you keep follow updates relevant to your software tools, whatever you are working on the software tool. My suggestion is, who are working on the software tools in the software industry, so please be attention and keep upgrade your skills with the latest technologies. Then you will have better career growth, and you will also expect a high package in the software industry. So that's all guys, man. I hope this video is very helpful who are working on the software tools in the software industry. If you feel this video is helpful, then don't forget, immediately share to your friends as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.